Rescued and evacuated 14 civilians from an avalanche site early this morning. The search and rescue efforts have been ongoing for more than 24 hours, with troops braving harsh weather conditions to ensure the safety of those stranded. With a slight respite in the weather, 3 injured personnel were airlifted from Mana to Joshimath for urgent medical treatment using Indian Army hired civil helicopters. The rescue teams continue their efforts to locate and assist any remaining individuals in distress, demonstrating the Army's unwavering commitment to saving lives in extreme conditions.